My name is Joshua Smith. I'm a principal network engineer in the network engineering organization. Prior to COVID, I was totally based out of the Homedale, New Jersey office. As soon as COVID started appearing on the global scene, people were discussing 3D printable face shields could be very easily produced using the 3D printer. And basically, we're just printing this frame, and then the actual clear shield part is either like an overhead transparency or a binder cover that you might see on like a report. The group that I got involved with, whatever you wanted to bring, whether if you wanted to print, whether you wanted to just deliver, if you wanted to assemble, those sort of things, you could bring whatever kind of volunteering you wanted to do. It hit the ground running. We got a lot of interest right away from various local hospitals and nursing homes, and we were able to deliver tens of thousands of face shields over the past 6 months. I've been very fortunate that I was in a position that I could help out. And I was very fortunate that there was a strong group of volunteers that I could join up with. And I made a lot of friendships along the way. I learned a lot about volunteering and 3D printing. And I'm very grateful for that. And I'm going to be forever changed by this experience.